Denmark and Britain both have representative democracy, even though it's executed very differently. Which is better? During this video, we will argue that the Danish electoral system, opposed to the UK's, makes the outcome of the election more fair and democratic. The UK is divided into 650 regions, which have more or less the same amount of inhabitants. Parties have to have a candidate in each region for the largest chance to win. The people have to vote for a candidate. When they do so, they are also voting for the candidate's political party. If a candidate wins most popular vote in their region, they are given a place as an MP in the House of Commons. The other candidates are given nothing, even if their number of votes closely follow those of the winners. Everyone in the region who voted for the other candidates have therefore generally wasted their vote. A popular term for these kinds of elections are the winner takes it all.
This system is the reason that the UK only has 3 major parties. It is very hard for newly formed political parties to get elected into the House of Commons. They have to have 650 representatives ready to campaign to be an MP, which is highly unlikely for a new party. If a political party has the most votes nationwide, they are not guaranteed even a single spot in the House of Commons. If the votes are widely spread out, they might not win any spots at all because they have to have the majority of votes in a single region alone to have a candidate become an MP.
The Danish election system is considered as one of the most fair and satisfactory systems in the world. The Danish election system makes sure that every vote counts and that no opinion goes to waste, which makes it more democratic than other systems. There is a lot of different parties, so it is easier for the Danish citizens to find a party they agree with. When there is an election in Denmark, people vote for a party and the party gets seats in the Danish parliament, depending on how many votes the party gets. So if a party gets 27 of votes, it gets 27% of the seats in the Danish parliament, which is very democratic because no votes are wasted. Denmark also have one of the highest election participations in the world. 85% of the Danish people vote when they have to vote for the election. The high participation makes the elections more democratic, and most of the voters are satisfied with the democratic system.
In Denmark, we have a constitution opposite to England. England have an unwritten set of rules that they follow to keep the society going. But why is Denmark's constitution better? The Danish constitution was written in 1849 and covered all the laws that needed to be written down and compiled by the Danish citizens. The constitution has been perfected throughout the years, and the newest one was in 1953. The creators of the constitution was written by Monrad and Ola Lehmann, but was brought up in a constitutional assembly where it was voted in. It was men over 30 with their own household. The constitution helps the Danish justice system to know what is right or wrong and judge the citizens who cannot comply with the rules.
Choose the Danish election system for justice and a more democratic nation.